Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the even moss stitch, which is also known as the grid stitch. So this is a really fun and easy stitch to learn, and it's made using only a 1-row repeat. So if you enjoy making those type of stitch patterns, I think you'll really enjoy today's. So for this stitch, all you need to know is how to make a slip stitch and a half double crochet. And the best part about this stitch pattern is that the front and back sides are the same. So here you have the front side, and when you flip it over, this is what the back looks like. So yeah, if you're looking for a pattern where the stitches are the same on both sides, this would be a great one to make. And so you could use it for any home decor item, I would say, and probably even some garment patterns, as it is quite stretchy. All right, so in today's tutorial, I will be using a 9.0 millimeter crochet hook, and I'm also going to be using a number 5 bulky weight yarn. So this is actually Lion Brand's Hupeless Me yarn in the color Desert. All right, let's go ahead and get started with our tutorial. So our first step in making the even moss stitch is to make a slip knot. So go ahead and grab the tail end of your yarn, and you're just going to wrap it around your finger twice. Then take the back piece, push it over the front piece, and then take the front piece and push that over the back piece and over your finger. Then pull tight for a slip knot. Then go ahead and take your crochet hook and insert it into that loop. Now the even moss stitch is made with an even multiple. So for this swatch, we are going to chain 12. So go ahead and wrap the yarn over your hook and pull it through that first loop for your first chain. Then continue to do this until you have 12 total. Once you have 12 chains, it's time to start our first row. So this stitch pattern is made up of 2 stitches. So you're going to be working a slip stitch and a half double crochet stitch, and you're going to alternate between the two to work up the pattern. Okay, so our slip stitch is going to be the first stitch, and you're going to work that into the second chain from the hook. So 1 and 2, and so a slip stitch, you want to go ahead and insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through one more time for a slip stitch. All right, and so now we're going to make a half double crochet stitch into the next chain. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on hook for a half double crochet. So you should have something that looks like this. And now we're just going to be alternating between these 2 stitches for the entirety. Okay, so next we're going to work a slip stitch again. So insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through again. All right, and then you would be working a half double crochet stitch. So go ahead and insert your hook, yarn over, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. All right, and so you just want to continue to alternate between those 2 stitches until the end of the row. All right, so I just finished my last stitch. So I finished off with a slip stitch, and now your first row should look something like this. All right, so now we're going to start row 2. Now row 2 is going to be very similar to the first row. So you're just going to chain 1, and you are going to work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Okay, so here's my first stitch right here, and that's where we're going to work our slip stitch. So go ahead and insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through again. All right, and our next stitch is going to be a half double crochet stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And that is it. So now you just want to continue to alternate between these 2 stitches until the end of the row. Okay, so our next stitch would be a slip stitch again. And then following stitch is going to be a half double crochet. All right, and just continue to do that until the end. I'm here towards the end of my row 2, and I finished off with a slip stitch again. And so now your swatch should look something like this. And so now the stitch pattern becomes very easy, because all you're going to do for the remaining rows till however long you'd like is just to continue to repeat row 2. So you're just going to chain 1, turn your work, and then work a slip stitch and half double crochet, and just alternate between those 2 stitches. And that is how you make the even moss stitch. All right, everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how to make the even moss stitch. I went ahead and made a few more rows here so you can really see what the stitch pattern will look like once you've worked a few more rows. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!